Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today, 2015 Mazda 3, stock SP25, stock number 7521. It's run from 11th 2013 to 2nd 2019. It's a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight. Left front 18-inch 50mm tyre. Left-hand door mirror. Left front door, 2 dents. Left rear door, 1 crease down the middle. Left rear 18-inch 50mm tyre. Left-hand taillight. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right-hand taillight. Right rear 18-inch 50mm tyre. Right rear door, 3 dents. Right front door, 1 dent. Right hand door mirror. Right front 18-inch 50mm tyre. Right front door guard. Right front master switch. Center console. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.